Hi, this is an LED blinking like a heartbeat, and I didn't use any kind of a programming language here. I just used a shell script, a simple one, with WIRINGPI. Let me show you the shell script first. I have created a file called heart.sh. Let me open it. The script starts with hashbang bash, then while true to run it in a loop, and then some WIRINGPI command with sleep to use time. First of all, you need to install the WIRINGPI library. For that, you can use the link in the description box and follow the instruction, or you can install it from your operating system's software center. Like I'm using the dietpi OS, I will type dietpi-software. Then I will go to search and then type WIRINGPI. Here you can see WIRINGPI. Then press enter and it will be installed. I've already installed, so no need to go further. After that, you need to set up the GPIO pins. For that, type GPIO mode and then your desired pin number. Here I'm using 25 number pin. The 25 pin number is the WIRINGPI pin number, and the physical pin number would be 37, I guess. Every time you reboot your Pi, the pin setting will go in reset mode. So you need to do some kind of a setting so that it will stay in the output mode. For that, go to var, then lib, then dietpi, then dietpi auto start, and then custom sh script. Here you can write the command that you want to run at the starting up of the Pi. I just used few commands. You can see the 25 number pin here with mode out. Save it. Now see if it is working or not. Type GPIO, write pin number which is 25 and then 1. Here you can see the pin number 25 is in high mode. Let's make pin 25 low by replacing 1 with 0. You can directly blink an LED using a single command. Like here I'm typing GPIO blink, then the pin number 25 and then enter. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.